So, as you can see, I beat Blast Furnace here. 2,516 attempts. And because when I record, I dropped frames very hard on this level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna no-clip it and showcase it that way, because I know no one watches these videos anyway. So here we go. Let's see, no-clip. This is the only time I live a no-clip level, when I already have beaten it. So let's go, and you can probably tell how laggy it's gonna be. But yeah, so level was not bad. Hopefully I can get a good run. Can't believe I fluked the entire ending. That was crazy. But it was also very lucky at the same time. That was exhilarating.
There's more.
No. Oh shit. Well, there goes my flawless no-clip run, I guess. Oh, and there goes. Oh. But as you can see, for the most part, you know, I did actually beat the level. Well, I did beat the level. So it's pretty cool. And thank you.